How about one pair? What do we need to do? So this is not a pair of kings, but a pair, period. But we need to figure out what kind of card we're going to have a pair of. Yes? So from the 13 kinds of cards there are in the deck, we need to pick which kind of card we're going to get a pair of. Is it going to be a pair of kings, a pair of twos, a pair of sevens, a pair of ones? Okay? So there are 13 choose one ways of picking which kind we're going to get a pair of. And then, what else do we need to do to end up with a hand that has exactly one pair and nothing better than that? Yes? It's saying that the pair is going to be kings. Okay? There's more to do. I need to figure out which two kings those are going to be, right? So having said kings, of the 13 kinds, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, I've picked king. There's 13 ways. I could have picked sevens. I could have picked fives, whatever. This is saying there's 13 ways of doing that. 13 choose 1 is 13. Remember, n choose 1 is n. Having decided that the pair is going to be a pair of kings, I still need to decide which two of the 4 kings I'm looking at, right? How many ways are there of doing that? How many kings in all? 4. How many do I need? 2. 4 choose 2. Okay. Okay. Now I know what my kings. Now I know that the kings are, for example, the king of diamonds and the king of spades. Okay, now what do I have to do? I got to pick these other cards. Yep. What are the constraints? What am I not allowed to do? What do I have to do? An ace would be okay. 2 aces would not be okay. 3 aces would not be okay. I need 3 distinct cards, right? How many 3 distinct kinds of cards? How many kinds of cards am I allowed to pick from at this point? Okay, can't have a king. Anything else is okay, right? There's 12 kinds that I can pick from. Any 3 of those are okay, as long as they're all different. So from the remaining 12 kinds of cards, I need 3. So having picked, for example, 2s, 4s, and 5s, I still need to say which 2, which 4, and which 5. Yes? So for each of those, there's 4 choose 1 ways of picking a 2, 4 choose 1 ways of picking a 4, 4 choose 1 ways of picking a 5. That is, I get to pick either the diamonds, spades, hearts, or clubs, either the diamonds, spades, hearts, or clubs, et cetera, right? One of the 4 suits. So this is going to be times 4 choose 1, times 4 choose 1, times 4 choose 1, which is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 cubed, right? So all right, this kind of makes sense. We've decided that the pair is going to be a pair of kings. We've figured out which 2 kings those are. We've picked 3 different kinds of cards from the deck. Because these are 3 different kinds from the 12, we've automatically excluded the possibility of getting an extra king or getting a pair of anything else or anything more than that, because these are 3 different kinds chosen from the ones that remain after the kings are gone. Okay? So we've avoided anything better. And now we need to pick the suits for those 3. There's 4 cubed ways of doing that.